The ROI on these smart lockers is really impressive. Most of our customers within the logistics and warehousing sector are seeing payback within the first 6 months, some of those even quicker. The main areas for this payback are lost devices and damaged devices. The damaged devices we see a reduction generally by 40% and 20% on lost devices. This is mainly down to people scanning their badge before they take an item. This gives full accountability and traceability of those assets. You know exactly who has what, when they took it, how long they had it for. If they haven't returned it, you can then start proactively chasing those assets down and following up where they are. In addition to this, we also see big savings for the queue time, especially in the warehousing logistics space. So if you imagine at the start of a shift, you have all 200 people start queuing, they're all going to one point of contact to get those assets. Therefore, people can be queuing for up to 30 minutes to get a device. So those people are starting work 30 minutes late. Then at the other end of the shift, when it comes to clocking off, they're finishing 30 minutes early to give them enough time to hand that device back to make sure that they don't finish work late. Therefore, you can lose up to 1 hour of productivity per member of staff per day. Another good thing about Ricoh Smart Lockers, you can have them strategically placed across the site to get people to their point of work sooner to get their assets and therefore being the most productive they can be on site. With the cost of handheld devices and arm-mounted terminals being anywhere from £1,000 upwards, the Ricoh Smart Lockers providing that 40% reduction in damaged devices and 20% reduction in lost devices is a huge portion of that ROI.